everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shagufta teacher and today we are going to learn a very important topic of Jolly Phonics. That is letter C and K. Okay, but before we start the class, let's do the welcome song. So what is the welcome song? Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, hip 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 hooray! Now, can anyone recognize which letter is this? This is letter C, okay? And what is the sound of letter C? Clicking castanets. K, 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 k. This is the sound of letter C, okay? Now, which letter is this? This is letter K. And what is the sound of letter K? K. Flying kites. K, 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 k. It means the letter C and letter K has both the same sound. Yes, K, K has the same sound. K, K, K. But kids get confused when we have to write C and when we have to write letter K. So let's see the rule. Okay, but before the rule, do you know how many vowels are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Ready with me? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Okay? This is 5 vowels we have. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now, let's see the rule when we will write C and when we will write K. Now, which picture you are watching this? This is cat. It means C. C is here. So, look here. This is letter A. Which letter? Which vowel? A. A, O, U. Yes? A, O, U. Ready with me? A, O, U. Okay? When you see a word with vowel A, O, U, then you will use letter C. Which letter? C letter. What you will use? C letter. When you will see these vowels, okay? A, O, U in a word, then you will use letter C. And what is this? This is kite. What is this? Kite. When you see this was E, I, then you will use K letter. Which letter? K letter. Okay? Let's see the example. Now tell me, see the rule and you will say with me, okay? Tell me which vowel it is? A. Yes? And rule 1 is A is here. What we will use? C here. So, at. What I will write here at the beginning? K at the cat. K at the cat. Here is an. What I will use? C. Can. Now, here is which letter? Which vowel? E, T. So what I will write? Either K or C. K. K, E, T. Ket. Ket means sweet. Now, what is this? Which vowel? I. E, D. Then A is here. What I will write? K. K, E, D. Kid. Now, again, which vowel is there? O. V. O. Cow. K. O. V. Cow. O. T. K. O. T. Cot. Okay? Now, which vowel is this? U. And what is the sound of U? A. A. Pa. What we will use? K. A. Pa. K. Here is E. Y. So, what I will use? K, E, Y, key. K-E-Y, key. Yes? So did you understand the rule when we will use this C and when we will use K? Did you understand? When we will use C and when we will use K. Okay, once again I am repeating. Here, when you see the vowel A, O, U, then you will use C. And when you will see the vowel E and I, then you will use letter K. Understand? Yes? Interesting? Yes, now? Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Very good. See here. C, K, and when they come together, C, K, they make the sound K. It means K, K, K. They all have the same sound. Yes? K, K, K. Okay? When C, K come together, then it make the sound K, K, K. You saw right now when we will use C and when we will use K. But when we will use CK, CK always come at the end of the word. When? At the end of the word. Not in the beginning, not in the middle. At the end of the word. Let's see the example. See. Sa, a, k, so. Yes? Sa, a, k, so. Let's see another example. L, a, k, lock. L, a, k, lock. They are coming at the end. Yes? T, a, k, truck. T, a, k, truck. Then d, a, k, duck. D, a, k, duck. It means CK always come at the end. Okay? So, did you like my video? Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye. I will meet you again. See here. C, K, and when they come together, C, K, they make the sound K. It means K, K, K. They all have the same sound. Yes? K, K, K. Okay? When C, K come together, then it make the sound K, K, K. You saw right now when we will use C and when we will use K. But when we will use CK,